Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the BlueDriver OBD2 scan tool. This is it right here. This small little device plugs into your OBD2 port on your car, and I'm going to go connect this to my car, show you the installation placement, at least on my vehicle. You're also going to want to download the app, the OBD2 scan tool app, either on your iPhone, iPad, or Android. And I will show you that as well. Alright, my car is kind of an ancient 2003 Honda CR-V, and the OBD2 port is just to the right of the gas pedal up underneath the dashboard. Right here you can see the plug. So I can't hold my camera and plug this in at the same time, so I'll do that and then I'll get right back. So there it is, that's installed, and you can see there's a glowing light which lets me know that it has been installed correctly. And now I need to go to the app and pair it. So once you have it installed, the first thing you need to do is go to your settings and then to Bluetooth, and you have to look for the BlueDriver device. So click on that and that will pair it. And once it's paired, then you can launch the app, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. Alright, here's the app, and this is the home screen for the app. You've got read codes, clear codes, repair reports, freeze frame, smog check, mode 6, mil status, vehicle information, and flashlight. I've used the app on my smartphone, my iPhone 5S, and also my iPad. Obviously, the iPad has a much larger screen and the app looks a lot better on the iPad, but the iPhone is very usable as well. I just love the app, and actually this whole BlueDriver thing is really great. You get a lot of information here. It's not just for reading the engine codes, but it's also for resetting your check engine light and also getting advice as to how to rectify the codes. I'm just going through a few of the screens here just so you can see what it looks like, but you can actually have this going while you're driving to show you the RPM of your car, and there's a lot of information here, a lot of sensors in your car that you can observe while you're actually driving. A very, very well done job, and I have had a few of these sensors, but this is one of the best ones that I have seen to date, and the app, although it could be improved a little bit in the screen display, I think overall it does a great job. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. I'll try to answer if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.